have flaky scalp or you have dry, because the way my hair feels, like, I don't, dang, y'all, we should have had touch of vision or something. Okay, so today is the day that I can finally show you guys why I only use and recommend what I have in salon on my hair and all my clients, and why I'm not a person who, you know, runs to try this product and let me try that product and this is black owned, and I'm not a person anymore who just jumps on the newest product trend that's been talked about just because it's trending. I don't do that. And I have some clients that come in and they say, hey, have you heard about this product? Have you ever tried this product? What about that product? Have you ever tried this product? Because I use this product and I used to use that product, blah, 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 blah. You guys know Volume Life Salon Studio is a Paul Mitchell focused salon, honey. You guys know that I am Paul Mitchell down. All I use is Paul Mitchell. So yeah, and today I can finally show you guys why. So last week, you guys know I went to the 40 Under 40 cover reveal, and I needed to retwist my hair after that event. I needed to retwist it. But when it was time for me to retwist my hair back up that night, I was at home and I didn't realize that I didn't have my product that I normally twist my hair back up with. I didn't have it with me. So this is what I had. And before I show you guys what I had, this is not to throw shade on any product line, because if it works for you, it works for you. But I do not recommend anything that I do not use on a regular basis. I just don't. So I just had to put that out there, a little disclaimer. This is not to, you know, dump on any product line, because if it works for you, it does. But I see a lot of clients that come in with similar complaints about similar things related to scalp dryness, flakes, build up on the scalp, hair dry, hair feel hard, curls don't stay defined, all that good different stuff. And I'm like, well, what did you use? And they'll say what they used, and I'll recommend something different. They'll try it, they'll come back, and they'll tell me all the point of differences that they had compared to the other product that they've used forever and the new product that I put them on to. But let me show you guys what I ended up using. So this is Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, the coconut and hibiscus with silk protein and neem oil. Now, it has all these things that it don't have in it. My point in mentioning what's in this product and showing you guys all the things that this product promotes that it doesn't have is to show you that sometimes products can sound like they're going to be great for our hair. But we know the truth once we get to the end results, what's really going on. And sometimes it takes us more than just the day of to see the full finishing results of the product. All that good jazz. So I got this from there was a thing out that, you know, they were trying to get me to try the products and I promote them or whatever during the COVID season, all that good jazz. So I got a whole slew of products just for free. So I was like, man, looking through my cabinet, what can I use? What can I use? I grabbed that. I said, okay, this will be my first time being able to finally try one of these products that people talk about, or, you know, one of the #1 products that I hear about. Twisted my hair back up, untwisted it the next day. It was okay. Like my curls, my twist out was good, but my hair was greasy. And it was a little like, almost kind of a little sticky a little bit. And I'm not used to that on my hair. And nothing that I use from my Paul Mitchell line makes my hair sticky or feel gritty or like, you know that feeling I'm talking about. Cool. A couple days go by, now we're into this week. And I realized that my scalp, the itching, my scalp really doesn't itch that often. I don't have scalp issues like inflammation. I typically don't have a lot of flaking, a lot of dandruff, any buildup on my scalp, anything like that. But this past week, I've been scratching like, man, my hair, oh, it's itching. Oh, it's itching. What's going on? So finally, I'm actually about to get ready to shampoo my hair. And I thought about it. Let me just take my little band off. I've been going down in my mind like, what's different? What did I change? Why is my hair like, what's tea? Thought about it today before I washed it. Oh, I used something different. I used something that I normally don't use. So I'm about to show y'all what my scalp and my hair looks like up close and personal. Before I part it down the middle, let me just get it close. You can already see the buildup on my hair. Now, I only used this product 2 times, 2 nights in a row, because I had to twist out, done with something else. I took that apart, used this product to retwist it back up. No water, I didn't do any water or anything like that, because you know how I feel about water on hair. It's only supposed to be used for shampooing. No water, anything like that. Twisted it up, wore it twisted for a couple of days, twisted it back out, and had to retwist it back up again. And now I took those down, and this is the old, super old twist out. Maybe about 4 days old, maybe. So, before I even bust it open, and I wanted y'all to know how much I used it, because just to let you know, like, I hadn't been putting it on every day, so it's not like, it shouldn't have built up the way that my scalp looking just from 2 uses. And I only was like, I would take it and put it on the hair, comb it through, and twist it. So, yeah. But, like I said, you can see the buildup. You can see the buildup. But let's get into, I mean, it's snowing already. Girl, let's get into this scalp. Baby. Oh, my God. Baby, let me get the comb. What a comb? Girl. Listen, my scalp has never in my life looked like this. From even back in my Cantu days, even back in my, I was about to say Eco Styler, but I would have been lying. Eco Styler do have your hair with some white stuff on it. But, and my scalp has never itched how it itches right now. Honey, I cannot wait to put some water on it. But I was like, let me catch this before I wash it. So, because I'm not a person who, hey, I just want to sell you this right quick. No, my job is to help you conquer your challenges at home with your hair. And to be honest, if you are a client of mine, or if you've ever come here, y'all know I educate you guys. Y'all know I've probably recommended a product or 2 to help counteract some of the issues that you may have expressed that you experience at home. If you're a client of mine, or if that what I just said describes you, and you ever wonder like, man, why my hair itch in between visits, or like if I only go once a month, why after I wash it and style it with my stuff, why my scalp itch, or why my hair don't shine the same, or why I got build up like that, or da. It's because you're not using what I recommend. You can't, it doesn't make sense to come to a salon, invest in a salon visit, invest in quality care, quality hair products to be used on your hair at your service. But then when you go home, you use just whatever. It just don't make sense. Like, why wouldn't you want the same results at home? Because they are achievable as you get in the salon. I don't know. Anyway, I just had to put that out there. Y'all, sometimes we make things hard on ourselves when they don't have to be, just by staying stuck in our ways and not wanting to open up and try something new, no matter if it's recommended by a professional or not. So let's get into it. Is it back there? I can't tell, but I mean, what is that? And that's where it's been let me scratch. That's where it's been itching it too, y'all. Honey, snowing in November in Louisiana. And it's probably like 50 degrees outside right now, but it's snowing up in chill. I mean, I'm just showing y'all what I got going on. So, for all of my people who are like, hey, don't products that are made by Black people, for Black people, aren't those better? Or, hey, I heard Paul Mitchell was made only for straight hair, or only for white hair, or we got to get out of that. let's normalize anybody having access to quality things because we deserve it and because they're being created. Let's normalize knowing that products are not made by skin tone. Okay? Yeah, let's also normalize not spending $5 on products and expecting our hair to grow and be moisturized and ends not to be popping and all that other stuff. You know? And let's also normalize not being product junkies and jumping on the very next trending topic of products. Seek professional help. Seek professional recommendations. Sometimes it doesn't even require you to go to a salon. And if it does require you to go to a salon to seek professional advice and guidance with your hair, sometimes it could be just a 20-minute visit, little consultation. I do offer those. Sometimes it could be a virtual consultation. Sometimes, you know, you might not be able to leave your home. But if someone was to call me and have a virtual consultation with me and they're like, this is what I use, this is how my hair look, can you help me? I already know off top what I would recommend for them by just seeing what I would recommend for me by just seeing what's going on. So I'm going to finally shampoo my hair and rebalance it. As you see, I'm at the salon, so I have access to all my stuff. But I just wanted to take this moment to show you guys and to let anybody know who, you know, may be curious about why I stick to what I stick to. You know, if it's not broke, you don't have to fix it. I don't have to try 50,000 other different things. Sometimes I do try different things, but it's usually in the Paul Mitchell brand. Sometimes it's in the Mazzoni brand, depending on, you know, what's going on. But yeah, this is why. So I'm gonna take me and my flakes. Look at that. Rain down. Can y'all see the rain? Girl, I can't. Quality. Normalize it. Come on. So yeah, if you use Shea Moisture and you have flaky scalp, or you have dry, because the way my hair feels, like, I don't, dang, y'all, we should have had touch of vision or something. But if, like, when I rub my hands, it's like a little waxy. But you can even see, looking at it, it looks dull because it's like a product, like just a light sheet of product buildup on it just after 2 uses. I can't build on that. If I wanted to switch my style up, I had to wash all this out just to switch, which I'm about to do, wash it all out. Paul Mitchell, I could have built something on top of that. Okay, anyway, I'm done with my rant. This is living proof right here why I stick to what I know works for me, and why, especially if you are a client of mine, you should be using what I recommend. It's right here on the shelf, baby. Go on and do right. Don't be resistant. Donate your products to someone, Providence House, shelter, someone who can really use them, who may not have the type of access that you have. Pass them on. Do yourself a favor, like I'm about to do me.